Okay, students, now second part of this question is 7, 4 and 3. This is the sequence given by the question and we have to write the next three integers. And the next three integers are -2, -5 and -8 according to this sequence. Look, this is a descending order sequence. 7 is biggest, then 4 is less than 7, 3 is less than 4. So the next three integers are -2, -5 and -8. Let's prove it with the help of a number line. I have drawn this number line for you. 0 is in the center, the negative integers towards the left hand side and the positive towards the right hand side. According to the questions, the first number is 7. We are standing on the number 7 and we have to jump at number 4. When we are standing on 7 and we have to jump at number 4, it means we are skipping how many spaces? 1, 2 and 3. We are jumping on the third digit. Now from 4, according to the question, from 4 we will 7, 4 and 1. Sorry, in the question it is not 3, it is 1. Instead of 3 it is 1. Okay, make correction. Now from 4 we are jumping on, we have to jump at number 1 because it is in the question. Now see how many spaces we jumped. 1, 2 and 3. We jumped at the third number. We have to follow the same sequence. We have to jump on the third. Now first space, second space, and this is third. We have to jump from 1 to -2. Here we have to jump from -2, again following the same pattern. 1, 2, 3. We have to jump 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. We have to jump at -5. After -2, the next next integer according to the sequence of the question is -5. Now follow again the same pattern. First, second space and third we have to jump at -8. From -5 we have to jump at -8. So this is the pattern. The next three integers according to the pattern of the question: 7, 4, 1. The next three integers are -2, -5 and -8.